So this Christmas, all our loved ones are getting presents that are handmade by us. My husband's making the ornaments and I'm making these spice blends. Za'atar and chili spaghetti. Right now I'm making chili spaghetti. And I'm also creating a little recipe book to go with these spice blends as well. Decided I'd come out here and enjoy the weather. You know that storm that produced all those tornadoes in Tennessee, killed 6 people? Well, it's here now, but it's not crazy. Like, not very far from here, like in Sanford, there is a tornado risk, but hopefully there's no risk here. So our niece, Maddie, was supposed to come this weekend, but she never made it because she was going to take a bus in from DC, and something went wrong with the buses. There was no bus. So sadly, she didn't make it. But for her visit, I made this pistachio mascarpone pie, which is not vegan. It is vegetarian at least, but it's not vegan. And I'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. And I made my famous chili spaghetti, my Cincinnati style, Skyline style chili spaghetti made vegan. But, you know, because she's vegetarian, not vegan, I also got cheese. I actually had some cheese on it. Humanely sourced cheese, it says on the package. But, oh gosh, it was so good. But this is incredible. And I will leave a recipe down in the description box. It's not my recipe. I'll leave you the link to the recipe. But it's so good. It's a pistachio mascarpone custard with a little almond extract in a pretzel crust, a butter pretzel pie crust. And then I ran out of vanilla. So I put cardamom in my whipped cream. And it is so stinking good. It is just unbelievably good. Yeah, I've been really off the rails lately. Intentionally so. Truly. I have been a little bit more vegetarian than vegan lately. And I have been a little bit more, even when I'm vegan, a little bit more scrumptious about it. Like the tofu paprikash that I made, which is just decadent. Because, I don't know, the holidays are kind of stressful. I get very overwhelmed. And it's just fraught, you know. The holidays are fraught for a lot of people. And I'm just seeking comfort and joy, and that's okay. It's okay. If you're familiar with my channel, you've probably heard me say, in terms of doing what's right for animals, and that's, well, I did a video where I talked about me being a vegetarian for the animals, and me being a vegan for my health, most part. And I also believe in consistency over perfection. Like, you don't have to be perfect, you just have to be consistent. If you are being 50% better this year than you were last year in terms of your health, you have changed your consistency. Maybe the benefits will... Okay, well, I'm just going to eat my pie, and I'm going to sit out here and enjoy the 65-degree rainy day, because tomorrow it's going to be like 40 degrees. So. Well, guess what? While I was out there eating my pistachio cream pie, we got an alert that we're under tornado watch. Yay! I hate that. You know, we live in a log cabin, which is very safe. You know, typically, if anything is going to happen, the roof might come off, but even then, the structures are so safe. And remember in that previous video that I did, if you're familiar, if you've been here for a while, you know I did a video where we went to this property that was hit by either inline winds or a tornado. Southern oak just fell on a house and basically split it in half, completely totaled it. We were there because Michael makes beautiful wood things. Didn't even make the news, you know what I mean? I didn't even know about it, and it was just a few miles from here. So that whole thing just freaks me out. We were there because Michael makes things with fallen wood, like these beautiful ornaments. They're so gorgeous. He's doing such a good job. So Michael, he's out in the wood shop just doing his wood stuff. It makes me so nervous because that wood shop is just a shed. He says, don't worry about me. I can outrun a tornado. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, this sky looks greenish. Michael, I don't know why he won't. He like just went out into our outbuilding now. He's just like, I'm not afraid of storms. Oh my gosh. The trees are moving so much.
The scariest time was during the 2011 outbreak down in Alabama. We had an EF5 tornado come within like 15 miles.
I'm just keeping track of the storm. There was a tornado touchdown in Raleigh, an unexpected one, and the worst is expected to come.
Tornadoes with less rotation. Same with water spouts.
Florida. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm going to let this cool, and then I will grind it with my mortar and pestle. I'm going to spin some love into these spices. One time, Michael and I were driving home from New Mexico, and we were in Tennessee, and there was a big line of storms like the one that we're experiencing right now. Just basically from Texas to Nova Scotia. Just a huge, you can't, there was no way to go west to east and avoid those storms. It was horrible. And so we were driving through Tennessee, and I was checking like the radar and everything, and there were tornadoes popping up everywhere, and we could see up in the sky just the rotation of the clouds. It was so sketchy. We made it, obviously, but on that same freeway that day, later we learned, after we, got to Knoxville and we, got into a La Quinta with the doggies, we learned that there were some touchdowns on that very freeway. Oh my gosh, it scares the heck out of me. I hate tornadoes. Hi, baby. Hi. Good boy. You're so wet. You're so wet.